Guys, welcome to the Crypto Geek official YouTube channel, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video update, we'll be definitely talking about Solana. I hope so. I hope I'm audible to you guys. And if you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. And if you guys are not following me on Twitter, you guys must follow me, and it's also within the description of this video as well. So, guys, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, if you focus overall on Solana, we have one of these things that is happening on Solana right here, that is basically that we are definitely breaking, we are definitely, if you focus overall, this some sort of a bearish retest. And right now the overall macro structure, if I talk about the overall macro structure, I guess we are not seeing some sort of a good stuff on Solana. Like overall, if I say this coin is definitely very bullish, but if you ask me that how I can definitely say that either it is doing very well in the immediate short term or not. But if you focus on right now, we have a very big wick to the downside, so it shows something that the price action may revisit back to these lows, before going to the upside. Or either if we go to the upside, we have left a big liquidity to the downside, which will be taken exactly in September. For me, in this phase, that this is almost the last phase of October all the way up to September. Within this phase, if we go to the upside later on in December, we will take this, and then the worst case scenario, we will recover, and then in October and November we will see some recovery to the upside. And personally, this is what I personally think, right, about Solana. And if you guys talk about that, what we did on Solana in the few days back, I called out this long position on Solana around $142, I guess, and then the target was $47. And because of this big liquidity to the upside, and we just exactly, this was our entry as we entered in the premium Discord exactly at the meantime. And then after this sort of price action, we just exactly took the full TP on this Solana, right? Now this is the overall macro structure of Solana, which I told you guys that this is a big, what you say, like a big liquidity is left to the downside. And if you focus on right here in the immediate short term, Solana is showing a lot of weakness. Like for a very long period of time, Solana was not that weak, but right now Solana is weak. If you ask me, Solana is definitely weak. And I guess it's very simple. We can definitely chart it like this. And either I'm not very bullish on Solana. If we even push it to the upside, for me the target is again 56 cents, 56 cents. These are the targets for me on Solana. If you go to the upside, and if you go to the downside, then important level is exactly this area. For sure, this is one of the most important area for Solana, and it has always been a very important area for me. This is the area. If you ask me, this is definitely area, and every single time we have bounced exactly from the same area so many times. So I guess the same thing will happen again. If it comes back into the zone, it will bounce somehow, so we can definitely position yourself right there. But until then, right now it's literally going sideways, and I guess it's not a good tradable area to you guys can definitely trade as well. So this is also an important level below 130 to 120. I guess this is an important area to get into Solana for some quick bounce and then exit. And if it holds, then we can definitely hold it in the immediate short term as well. I hope it makes sense for you guys. The point is, if you guys want to trade with me, every single day we trade. This was the near long position, first TP to first two TPs hit. This was the BTC long position, first two TPs were hit. This was my long position. These are my VIP traders long position. This was my long position. We longed, our entry was 58k, first entry was triggered, and then 60k was already been hit on BTC. This was another long position on BTC. This was the Solana long which I showed you guys. This was BTC short position, went very well. This was the Jupiter long position, half TP hit on this as well, 10% up. Another Solana buy position, all TPs were hit on this long position. So the point is, if you guys want to trade with me, get into my Discord right now within the immediate short term. Once you join my Discord, you will go to this pre-VIP launch, pre-VIP channel, and then you will join. These are the subscriptions for the premium Discord. You will send the subscription amount into these wallets given right here, and then you will start trading with me. Right? So guys, as always, until